Today we are going to be exploring one of the lesser known parts of the Philippines,
Bantayan Island!
So let's hop on the bike and explore this place together.
And our first stop today is Santa Fe Beach Club to see the Ogden Caves. So in this resort you've got a swimming pool, like a normal swimming pool, and then a subterranean pool, which is Ogden Cave, and it's privately owned by the hotel itself. 225 pesos entry each, that's including the swimming pool, including the cave, and including beach access.
Wow, this place looks insane.
I guarantee you 100% that water is freezing cold. We'll find out.
Wow. Even those stairs are so cool. Wow, that looks amazing.
Good morning. Come on in then.
What's on the floor? Ooh, rocks. This reminds me of those cenotes that you get in Mexico. I didn't expect it to be in Philippines. It's amazing. It's a lot deeper than I expected actually. I thought I'd be able to stand up easily, but I'm actually on my tiptoes. And over there, under the cave, it goes to 7 foot, which is way out there. Adam is going to show you his best dive. 3, 2, 1. I'll give you a 2.
Ah, very generous. That can't be right because I'm definitely not 7 foot. Maybe it used to be 7 foot and something happened. This is definitely 7 foot over here.
Bye.
Bye.
Right, it is time to leave. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Our next stop of the day is the ruins, which is just behind me. This was a man's house, but it got destroyed back in 2013 from a typhoon. So these are the remains. But as of now, it is better known for a really cool cliff jumping spot. So it's right by the cliffs here, and you've got beautiful seawater just below it. And just a moment ago, we saw lots of locals jumping in and having a really good time.
I'm not really sure what to think about this place. It would be a lot nicer if it weren't for the graffiti personally, but the best bit about it is definitely the cliff jumping in the water. Now we are leaving this place and going to the next one. We've just arrived at stop number 3, which is the Mangroves, but I've seen something on the side of the road that I must have. Margarine and sugar. Margarine and sugar. Thank you so much. Oh.
That looks amazing. How much?
25.
25.
It is a scientifically proven fact that it is impossible to drive past a banana queue and not get one. It's kind of different to the first one we had back in Bohol. This one has sugar kind of coated on it after it's barbecued, and margarine as well. But it tastes the same. It's really good. We didn't know this the first time we had it. It goes really, really well with buko juice. Different experience mixing the two. 2 in 1, marriage made in heaven.
Challenge, not lick your lips. Good. Really, really nice.
So about a 10-minute drive from where we were before at the ruins, we've come to this place called the Mangrove Eco Park. Hello, dog. And I'd be lying if I said we knew exactly what it was, but it seems to be some kind of place where they plant a bunch of trees on the water here, and it's very pretty. This sign here says Obub Mangrove Garden Integrated Ecotourism Conservation Association.
This place makes me feel like there's crocodiles in the water.
It looks like a lovely place to walk around nonetheless. Look at this bridge. Can you guys hear this? I think there's something in the tree making that noise. That's so weird. We're used to cicadas back in Thailand making that similar noise, but this one feels a bit more, sounds a bit more low pitched and a bit more beaty.
We have a resting area here, so Adam the old man can rest his legs. And you can buy some snacky snacks.
There's really cool fish in here with long noses. And right here is where the mangroves turn into bright blue open water.
So nice. And you can go for a swim as well.
This looks rather intriguing. Let's go through the tunnel. Wow, it's like a woodland.
Gives me some kind of vibe. I'm not sure what it is. Witchy.
Stranger Things vibes.
Yeah.
It's just bamboo surrounded by wood, surrounded by wood, surrounded by more wood, and then a tiny bit of plastic just tying all the bamboo together. It's really good to know that there's places around the world like this that are trying their hardest and opening up projects like this to preserve nature. Hats off to them. And that's it, one full lap around Bantayan Island Mangrove Eco Park. Oh, be careful how you get on that. That's it. Oh, no. No. Done with style.
Anyway, the sun is starting to go down now, so we're going to ride back into town and grab some dinner and then get an early night because tomorrow we have got a big day.
See you in 3, 2, 1. Good morning from a very sunny Alice Beach here on Bantayan Island. In a few moments we're going to be heading on the water on a boat with our friend Jack, and he's going to take us over to Virgin Island about 3.2 miles away.
It looks like Jack is ready for us. I'm so excited to get on the water and visit these islands. This is Jack.
Yeah.
And this is our boat, guys. What is the boat called? John Nino. John Nino boat. Come on.
I'm coming.
We've got a boat to catch. So graceful.
Gets easier every time.
So Jack's not actually coming on the boat trip. We thought he was. He just organised a tour. But instead we are with RR and Tony. Let's go!
So burn the map, ignore the signs, been feeling far away, 2 years in a couple of days.
That's it.
Copy my technique, are you?
No, just mine. Much easier.
Show off.
That's it. Welcome to the island that loads of people have been on, but no one has been in.
This is the mix of 90.7 Three Angels Mix Club and 90.7 Three Angels Music Print.
I want some of what they've had.
Mr. Operator, palpala sa matag.
What an absolute bunch of legends. I hope I'm like that when I'm their age.
Living the dream.
Oh, we've been accosted by the authorities. They want some payment.
Hello. We have been virginated.
This island looks very similar in size to Daku Island, which we saw in Siargao not long ago. The only difference being that this one is privately owned, 200 pesos for a docking fee and 200 pesos each to enter. So it's definitely on the expensive side, but it is definitely a contender for the best island we've seen in the Philippines so far. It is insane in the membrane.
Agreed.
This place is just, I hate to use the word vibe, but it is a vibe. Look at it. Everywhere you go there's just quotations. Vibes. That's not a sign you ever really want to see though. Loads of soap but no water. Oh dear.
Disaster.
I just have to get in the sea.
I'm so thirsty. And do you know who I miss right now?
Edgardo?
Edgardo, the lemonade man. Oh, I so wish he was here right now. I could really do one of those lemonades. The best lemonades we've ever had.
Edgardo, come to Virgin Island and open your own stall here.
Yes, please. This place is absolutely unbelievable. There are so many palm trees, and the palm trees are beautiful and bushy. There's bits of grass, there's super soft sand. The sea is bright blue. It's just got all of the perfect factors that you need to make the perfect island. We are absolutely gasping for a drink, so we're going to find, hopefully, somewhere to buy one. Canteen!
That bright orangey goodness.
I needed that.
Right, I can't hold it off another second. I have to get in the water. Jellyfish or no jellyfish?
Good luck. It is time for some vitamin C.
Oh, hello.
Oh, yes. Oh, that is beautiful.
I don't know why, but it's so much easier to float in this water than other waters we've been in.
Extra salty, maybe?
Extra salty, yeah, I can taste it.
Oh my god, you're right. I'm floating so easily. That's amazing. I don't have to use any energy.
What happened, baby girl? What happened?
My snorkel got stuck on your leg.
Let's go.
We spent so long in there, it was so enjoyable. Oh, the wind's picking up. It's a bit chilly. We've had a wicked time here on Virgin Island. The clouds have come over now. It is time to set sail and get some lunch.
Ooh, Mexican food.
Burritos!
Yes!
I feel like my mum. Bye Virgin Island! Touchdown Bantayan Island. Hi dog. Alright. You've got something on your nose. Bye. I was just trying to be nice.
Oh yeah, actually, no, I'm too hungry to take the bike to the restaurant. Should we just teleport there? There we go. Right, what have we got here, mate? It looks like dos tacos y un burrito.
I'm so excited to get stuck in to these tacos. So I've ordered vegetable tacos. So it's vegetables, refried beans, mango salsa, which is amazing.
And I've got pretty much the same, but in burrito form, so with rice. I also had to order extra hot sauce because the hot sauce here is, it's so good.
It's bomb.
Mental, so good.
Fire, fire.
There's something about swimming and on a hot day in an island that makes me crave Mexican food. Oh, by the way, we're at a place called Bantayan Burrito Company. It is insanely good Mexican food, and I'm a Mexican food connoisseur.
We came here the first night that we arrived and we just had to come back. It was so good.
Look at this beautiful, beautiful creation. I want to marry it and have its babies.
Hey, what about me?
So good.
Look at this.
That's begging for some hot sauce on it.
No. Okay, I don't have a choice now.
Yeah. Here we go. I love Mexican food so much, but it's so hard to find it vegetarian or vegan. The waiter just asked me if I wanted something a bit stronger, hot sauce wise, so he brought this. And it has a parental advisory on the back.
Oh my god, does it?
Love it. Probably just a joke, but anyway, look at that fireball.
Good food always gets messy.
It's fruity.
Fruity.
Mmm.
Really?
I wouldn't say it's that much stronger, but it's nice. I mixed them both. Okay, no, it is quite spicy actually.
Don't eat burritos or tacos if you're going on a first date. It's messy.
And we have some very authentic nachos or tortilla chips. Crispy!
Crispy.
Also, pomelo juice. Like a big grapefruit. So good. This is probably going to be one of the last times you see us island lifing because tomorrow we begin our journey exploring the northern region of the Philippines. So make sure you give the subscribe button a little tickle and you give the notification bell a little slap so you can see what we get up to up north. Get it? Get that.
Please leave your suggestions in the north in the comments down below and we will see you in the next video.
Cheerio!